Yahoo! Good evening. Today is Sunday time in Sydney, Australia. Is 7:41 p.m. and date is 9th of January. This is the forecast for the whole week for the forex and also crypto. The forecast goes from the 10th of the January right to 16th. We might say why 16 because Saturday, Sunday market is closed. No, market is not closed for the crypto coin. Saturday, Sunday you can actually trade crypto as well. Monday to Friday is forex and all those currency you can trade, but Saturday, Sunday you can trade crypto. Before I go to the chart, this is our YouTube channel. You can go and watch all those videos. These are all live trade that we did before in past. Before to do that, please read this risk disclaimer. We are not responsible for your action, loss or gain anything. We are not signal company. This is only education and information only, purely, and we are not responsible for any of your loss or gain. As I have said this one before again and again, please understand this. So I'm going to actually explain to you. First we go to the chart. I show you the chart. I find some level in different currency, first of all in major one and then other currency, and also on the Bitcoin as well. Everything is on the 30 minutes. I'm not gonna jump from 4 hours to 15 minutes, although all this is professional people. They look at the time frame on 4 hours daily and then they trade on the 15 minutes. They are professional, they have their own way. We are not claiming that we are professional. We have experience for trading and also combine those experience with the software that my partner he developed. We find a level in past combination of the support and resistance with the price action, candlestick price action and candlestick pattern. We find a level, and then when the software give us the go ahead to buy or to sell, then we enter to the market with our own risk. Again, this is only education and information only, and you are not following us. We don't ask you to do that. If you want to learn, you open a demo account and practice with demo account, and you can go to the YouTube channel and learn how to trade from other people or from us. We give you all the education for free. We don't charge you, but if you want to pay for other people, it's up to you. So anyway, before I do that, I'm gonna explain to you what we're doing. I'll open this and I explain to you. First of all, I always talk about the buying zone and selling zone. If you watch all video that we had in the past in the YouTube channel, you'll see that I keep talking about buying and selling zone. Let me explain to you what is buying zone and selling zone. When we have two horizontal lines on my chart, which is red color, it means we are in the selling zone. And the idea in the selling zone is like this: market has to be from the bottom. Market need to come from this area, pass through this first and the second line, and when it goes up here again, I find a level on the pass which I always mark up with a black line. So these are resistance and these are support. When we are in the selling zone, there are two red lines that we have. Market needs to come from bottom, pass this two red line, when it hit this level of the resistance, and then we can sell it to this TP1. We call this first line TP1 and second one we call it TP2, taking profit 2. If market hit the TP1, normally I get out of the trade because this level, these two red lines are very strong level. Normally market would bounce and goes opposite way. But if market goes through it and we miss this selling, and then we will wait when we get the signal to buy, and when we have a support already defined in past, a combination of the support with the candlestick pattern, and then we actually have a chance to buy it to only to this level. Again, we're not going to go for the TP2 because normally it would bounce and goes opposite way. So this is for the selling zone, and I'm going to explain to you about buying zone is exactly reverse. Okay, I'll show you what is buying zone, and then we go through the chart by one and one by one, and then I explain to you. So for the buying zone, we need to have green line. Let me explain to you. When we have two horizontal green line, this is that chart is a buying zone. What do I mean by buying zone is this. We need to see market from the top coming down past this first and second green line, and when it comes to this area again, I normally find a level, this black line, always I mark it up with a black line for the support and resistance. Okay, when market hit this level, when the software give us the go ahead to buy, then we buy it to TP1 and then we get out of the trade. If market goes to TP2, good luck. What you can do, you can put actually your when you hit the TP1, you bring your stop loss to this level to make it break even. When market pass this second line of the green, which is TP2, and we miss this buying one, there is a chance to sell the market when it hit our resistance, and then we can actually sell it to this level only. When we are talking about resistance and support, please understand, sometimes market pass these two green line and around this area would bounce back and hit the level and test the level. It doesn't mean this black line is definitely, no. These black lines are support and resistance in past combination with the candlestick pattern. And they are a strong level, but we are not rely on those one. We rely on our software. When the software give us the go ahead to sell, maybe give us the level to give us the go ahead to sell in this area, and then we can sell it. Or if market give us this on this level to sell it, then we sell it to this area. Okay, so this is for the buying zone, and then I explain to you for the selling zone. So I'm going to go to the chart and explain to you what I have found. I find the measure one and some couple of other things. For the Euro USD, again, everything today that I have found for you is on the 30 minutes time frame, because for me it would be easy to monitor that. So for the Euro USD, I could not find a good level, and then we go for the pound. As you can see, we got a red line. Okay, when we have red line, as I have mentioned to you, we are in the selling zone. The idea is market from the bottom has to go up past these two red line when it comes to this area, and when we get the signal to sell, we can sell it to TP1, which is 135,998, and then TP2 is 135,525. If we missed it selling, then we wait to this area, and then we can actually buy it when we got the signal. If we hit the support here and we get a signal to buy, we can buy it to this area. So I'm not going to explain to you again what I have said to you before, because it's going to be boring for you guys. I go one by one. This is Australia USD. We are in the buying zone, and this is the level. You can pause the video and write those numbers, and then actually when you have it, then you can test it on the demo account. When market in this, at the moment market is here, we need to come out past these two green line around this area or this support, then we can buy it to TP1 and TP2, and we goes to here, then we can sell it. Okay, this is for the Australia USD. Australia Japan is in buying zone. USD Canada, nothing. I couldn't find any good level. New Zealand USD in the buying zone. Again, market needs to come down past these two green line, right? USD Chinese money, Chinese yuan is in selling zone already. We missed it. We missed it because market from the bottom past these two red line go up, and last week I missed out because we could sell it in this area with a good profit, because it's still coming down to hit this red line. And when we pass these two red line, then we can actually buy it on those support area to this 637559. That is for Chinese yuan. This is for CHF Singapore. We are in the buying zone. Pound Canada, I couldn't find anything. Australia Canada, I couldn't find. Euro, nothing. Euro Canada, I find it in the buying zone again. Market already come through it. when it comes this candlestick pattern, this candlestick, when past these two green line around this area, we can buy it. Okay, please understand, if market does not pass these two green line, is not valid setup. It might go up to this area and hit back. This is not our rules. The rule says it has to, from the top, needs to come past this two green line to this area to be valid to enter to the market for trading. Okay, we have to stick to the rule. All right. So this is for the Euro Canada. Euro Japan, we are in the buying zone. Sorry, we are in the selling zone. We got red line. These are selling zone, and already market passed through our two red line, and we are actually in the selling zone now. And when market open, as I have said, market might open in a gap Monday. These are the resistance area. If we hit those level and then we got a signal, we can sell it to TP1, which is 131113. And if it goes past the TP2, then in this area there is a chance to buy it again to TP 13100. So already we are in the passing the selling zone. So these are, I have a feeling that market would open with a gap. So when you open with a gap, then we can actually, if we open in this area, we can sell it if we get a signal. Okay. Pound Australia, we are in the selling zone, already hit our, as you can see, market already passed these two red line and it's done, already finished for the selling, and I'm waiting this candlestick come to this area, and then hopefully when we get a signal we can buy it to this level. Okay. Pound CHF, we have nothing. Let me see if I find any other level for you guys. Pound Japan, we are in the selling zone again, already market passed, almost passing through it, so we are waiting for selling. Pound New Zealand, nothing. Australia, New Zealand, we are in the buying zone. We are waiting to market pass these two green line and to buy it. Euro Pound, we are in the buying zone. This is buying zone, and we need to see market coming past this green line to this area, and then we can buy it. Then buy it to this TP1, TP2, and if it goes around here, we can sell it. These are the resistance area to sell to this area. USD Singapore, again we are in the buying zone. Already market passed through our green lines twice, and then around this area when we get a signal, hopefully on Monday market would open. Normally do not enter to the market in the opening time, because market would have high commission, and then asking price and bidding price are too high. As you can see, this red line and this blue line is asking price. When this red line and blue line asking and bid price are close to each other, that's the good time. So this is very high commission now, so we have to wait when these two lines getting close to each other, and in the middle of the day you can buy it. So but we wait for the signal to buy. Okay. New Zealand CHF, we are in the buying zone. Euro New Zealand, nothing. Australia CHF, we are in the selling zone. We need to see market from here, right here, goes up past these two red line, and this area is a resistance area to sell. If we get a signal, we can sell it, and if we missed out this third, then it comes here, then we can buy it. Okay. So that's for the Canada. Japan, we are in the buying zone. Sorry, we are in the selling zone. These are red line and already passed through it. As you can see, market come through it. So hopefully when market open, after opening, then we wait for the signal then to sell it to this area, TP1, TP2, and when market come to this area, there is a chance to buy it. When I'm talking about come to this area to buy it, if the software give us the signal, we buy. We don't need to wait for this, but these are actually strong support. So if the market hit this level and we get a signal, is a bonus for us to buy it. Okay? So normally these are strong support and these are strong resistance. that I found it in the past. Dogecoin, I couldn't find any level. And Bitcoin is coming down, but the thing is that we are waiting market would come down past our green line to the buying zone, to this area. If we get a signal, we can start buying it. Okay, at the moment Bitcoin is coming down, so we wait pass through our green line to green line, and this area, if we get a signal, we buy it. If it comes to this area, we buy. These are the plan A and plan B. So we will see what's going to happen. So these are the forecasts I had. I think about 16 pair plus the Bitcoin and Dogecoin or whatever. So hopefully, if market next week, I'm going to make the second video. I'm going to upload this video now, and then next week on 16 again, we are going to make the second video on the 16th that to see about the forecast, what we did, if it come true or not. So please look after yourself and your family. Again, before you go, please read this risk disclaimer. We are not responsible for your action, gain or loss. This is just purely education only. If you like to learn, you go on our YouTube channel. All these videos is live chart, live account we did on past, and then you judge it yourself. I don't promote myself, so you will see if it's true or not, because when we upload the video, we cannot change the date or time. Everything is there. So we have Telegram, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have YouTube channel. We normally announce on the Telegram what we're doing, on what level we enter to the market. This is free of the charge. You can subscribe. So as I said to you, we are not signal company. We are not asking you for credit card. We are not asking you for telephone number. We don't ask you for email. We don't charge you monthly, weekly fee, nothing. This is only purely education and information only. So please look after yourself and your family, as I have always say. And in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Again, if I find any good level and other pair, I will announce it. First of all, I will announce on the Telegram, and then on the Instagram, then Facebook, and the YouTube channel. We put a video clip, then you can watch it. So please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Done.